So today's lesson is all about elements of a computer system. First, what is a computer? Technically, a computer is a programmable machine. This means it can execute a programmed list of instructions and respond to new instructions that is given. Today, however, the term is most often used to refer to the desktop and laptop computers that most people use. When referring to a desktop model, the term computer technically only refers to the computer itself, not the monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Still, it is acceptable to refer to everything together as the computer. If you want to be really technical, the box that holds the computer is called the system unit. Some of the major parts of a personal computer or PC include the motherboard, CPU, memory or RAM, hard drive, and video card. While personal computers are by far the most common type of computers today, there are several other types of computers. For example, a mini computer is a powerful computer that can support many users at once. A mainframe is a large, high-powered computer that can perform billions of calculations on multiple sources at one time. Finally, a supercomputer is a machine that can process billions of instructions a second and is used to calculate extremely complex calculations. Next is electronic data processing. What you input into a computer is called data, and then it must be transformed into information that is usable. The process that makes data into its usable form is called electronic data processing, or in short term is EDP. Computer as electronic data processing machines performs different operations that converts data into information. Electronic data processing cycle consists of the following. Next is software. Computer software is a general term that describes computer programs. Related terms such as software programs, applications, scripts, and instruction sets fall under the category of computer software. Therefore, installing new programs or applications on your computer is synonymous with installing new software on your computer. Software can be difficult to describe because it's virtual, or not physical like computer hardware. Instead, software consists of lines of code written by computer programmers that have been compiled into a computer program. Software programs are stored as binary data that is copied to computer's hard drive when it is installed. Since software is virtual and does not take up any physical space, it is much easier and often cheaper to upgrade than computer hardware. While at its most basic level, software consists of binary data, CD-ROMs, DVDs, and other types of media that are used to distribute software can also be called software. Therefore, when you buy a software program, it often comes on a disk, which is a physical means of storing the software. Peopleware. Computers operate using a combination of hardware and software. However, without user interaction, most computers would be used as machines. Therefore, peopleware is sometimes considered a third aspect that takes into account the importance of human in the computing process. Peopleware is less tangible than hardware or software, since it can refer to many different things. Examples of peopleware include individual people, groups of people, project teams, business developers, and end users. While paperware can mean many different things, it always refers to the people who develop or use computer systems. While the term may not be as widely used as hardware or software, peopleware is an important part of computer technology. It is a good reminder that the role of people should not be overlooked by any business or organization. Next is elements of a computer system. A computer is an electronic device that performs tasks based on instructions given by the user. The computer system works starting with the data entered by the user. Then the computer processes the data and produces the output. A computer system is composed of hardware and software. Number 1. Operating System or OS refers to the files and programs that make up your computer's operating system. System files include libraries of functions, system services, drivers for printers and other hardware, system preferences and other configuration files. The programs that are part of the system software include assemblers, compilers, file management tools, system utilities, and debuggers. Is the main program in a computer that controls the way the computer works and makes it possible for the programs to function. Microsoft Windows OS, Android OS, and Mac OS. B. Application software. An application or application program is a software program that runs on your computer. Web browsers, email programs, word processors, games, and utilities are all applications. The word application is used because each program has a specific application for the user. It includes programs that do real work for the users. These are the computer programs, applications designed for a particular function. Spreadsheet application. A spreadsheet is a document that stores data in a grid of horizontal rows and vertical columns. Rows are typically labeled using numbers 1, 2, 3, etc., while columns are labeled with letters A, B, C, etc. Individual. Row column locations such as C3 or B12 are referred to as cells. Each cell can each store a unique distance of data. By entering data into a spreadsheet, information can be stored in a more structured way than using plain text. The row column structure also allows the data to be analyzed using formulas and calculations. Video application is software used for performing the post-production video editing of digital video sequences on a non-linear editing system. Communication devices are components that connect the computer to the internal and other external devices. For example, modem, network card, Wi-Fi card, and Bluetooth connection card.